This is a single house located in a rural area of Bau Bang district, Tinh Binh Duong, Vietnam. With a land area of 1,000 meters square, the house is specifically tailored to serve the needs of a single individual. The layout of the house is organized in a cubic manner to enhance stability, ease of movement, and provide a sense of security for the homeowner when living alone. However, despite the criteria of solitude, the design incorporates several inviting spaces to accommodate visits from family members and friends on weekends and holidays. An aquarium is set up in the living and dining rooms to help the homeowner feel more connected to life. By watching the fish swim, they are able to appreciate their own existence and the lively fish community, which enhances their appreciation for life. The house has big glass doors in the bedroom, living room, kitchen, and dining room that can be opened to connect with nature. The bedroom has extra shutters for safety at night. The front yard is big and easy for parking. The open parking area makes it easy to manage the car space while sitting inside. The layout provides a number of inviting spaces where one can unwind, sip coffee, or enjoy meals with loved ones. These areas are created with a variety of enticing features that offer amusement and comfort, guaranteeing that family and friends will frequently stop by. When the owner finds herself alone in a spacious house, several issues can arise, including security concerns and feelings of loneliness. There are several solutions to address these challenges. One solution involves designing the most convenient and efficient entrance to the house. Upon entering the parking area, the owner can effortlessly to the central lobby of the house. This central hall provides a vantage point to observe and easily move to other areas. Additionally, the central hall features a skylight, ample natural light, with sense of brightness and comfort. The rooms have big windows that look out to the garden, so the homeowner can feel connected to nature and not feel lonely. The backyard has a big pond with lotus flowers. It's made for people to feel calm, find peace inside themselves, and remember who they really are. There's also a peaceful path to walk on and a quiet spot to sit in the middle of the pond.